Hi friends, welcome to the next episode of App Guide. In this episode, we will be solving some important problems on profit and loss. As always, I am suggesting you to watch the videos on each topic in sequence for better understanding. So, we will go straight away to the questions. 75th question is, one trader calculates the percentage profit on cost price and another calculates on selling price. When their selling prices are same, the difference of their actual profit is rupees 85 and both claim to have made 20% profit. What is the selling price? Okay, so usually we calculate the profit percentage or loss percentage with respect to cost price. Okay, in all questions which we have done until now, we have calculated the profit percentage and loss percentage with respect to cost price. Okay, so in all questions we considered the cost price as 100. Okay, but in this question they are telling that one trader calculates the profit percentage on cost price and another calculates with respect to the selling price. Okay, and that particular profit percentage is given as 20. So we need to calculate the selling price when their selling prices are same and also their difference of their actual profit is 85. Okay, so let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, so for the first trader, they are telling that he calculated profit percentage with respect to the cost price. Okay, so let us consider the cost price as 100 for the first person. Okay, so when profit percentage is 20, what will be his selling price? His selling price will be equal to 100 plus 20, that is 120. Okay, now for the second trader, he calculated profit percentage with respect to selling price. Okay, so let us consider the selling price as 100. Okay, so when the profit percentage is 20, what will be the cost price? Cost price will be equal to selling price minus profit. Okay, so 100 minus 20, that is 80. Okay, now in the question they are telling that selling prices are same for both the traders. Okay, so we need to make the selling price same for both these traders. Okay, so for that we need to multiply this 120 by 10 and this 100 by 12. Okay, so when we are multiplying this 120 by 10, we need to multiply this 100 also by 10. Okay, and when we are multiplying this 100 by 12, we need to multiply this 80 also by 12. Okay, now the selling price is 1200 here for the first trader and for the second trader also it is 1200. Okay, so we have made the selling prices same. Okay, so what is the cost price for the first trader? That is 1000. Okay, and selling price is 1200. For the second trader, cost price is 80 into 12, that is 960, and his selling price is 1200. Okay, then what will be the profit for the first trader? Profit for the first trader will be selling price minus cost price, that is 1200 minus 1000, that will be equal to 200. Okay, so what will be the profit for the second trader? That will be 1200 minus 960, that will be equal to 240. Okay, so in this question they have given the difference in the profit as 85. Okay, so what is the difference in the profit here? Here the difference is 240 minus 200, that is 40. Okay, so we can write this 40 as this 85 or we can represent this 40 as 85. Okay, so we need to find out the selling price. Okay, so we took the selling price as 1200. If 40 can be written as 85, what will be the value of 1200? On finding this value, we will get the original selling price. Okay, so this value can be found out by cross multiplying. Okay, so that is selling price is equal to 1200 into 85 divided by this 40. Okay, so on solving this, you will get the answer as rupees 2550. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question is, a merchant sells two cars, one at 15% loss and another at 12% profit. If the cost price of two cars are in the ratio 1:2, what is the net percentage of profit or loss? Okay, so in this question they are telling that a merchant sells two cars, one at a loss and another at profit. Okay, so they have given the ratio of the cost price as 1:2. Okay, so the ratio of the cost price of first car and second car is given as 1:2. Okay, so let us take the cost price of the first car as 100. Then what will be the cost price of second car? That will be 200. Okay, so they are telling that the first car is sold at a loss of 15%. So what will be the selling price of the first car? Cost price is 100, loss percentage is 15. So selling price will be 100 minus 15, that is 85. Okay, then the second car is sold at a profit of 12%. Okay, so when cost price is 200, what will be the selling price when profit percentage is 12? If the cost price was 100, profit percentage is 12, then selling price will be 112. Now here the cost price is 200, then what will be the selling price? 112 into 2. Okay, that is 224. Okay, so we need to find out the net percentage of profit or loss. Okay, so what is the total cost price of two cars? Total cost price of the two cars is 100 plus 200, that is 300. Okay, and what is the total selling price of two cars? That is 85 plus 224. Okay, so the total selling price will be equal to 309. Okay, here selling price is greater than cost price, hence there will be a profit. So what is the profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 309 minus 300, that will be equal to 9. Then what will be the profit percentage? Profit percentage is equal to profit by cost price into 100, that is 9 by cost price is 300 into 100. Okay, so on solving this we will get it as 3%. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question is, profit earned by selling an article for rupees 575 is equal to the loss when the same article is sold for rupees 475. What is the selling price of the article for making 40% profit? Okay, so in this question they are telling that the profit is equal to the loss and the selling prices in both the cases are given. Okay, so we need to find out the selling price when the profit percentage is 40. So for that, first we need to find out what is the cost price. Okay, by using the first condition. Okay, so what is the first condition? That is profit is equal to loss. Okay, we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, in both the cases selling price is different but the cost price is same. Okay, so we need to find out the cost price by substituting the values of selling price. In the first case selling price is 575 minus cost price is equal to cost price minus selling price. In the second case is 475. Okay, on solving this we will get the cost price as 495. Okay, now we need to find out the selling price when the profit percentage is 40. Profit percentage is 40 means if cost price is 100, selling price is 140. Okay, but we found the cost price as 495. So if cost price is 495, what will be the selling price? This we can find out by cross multiplying. Okay, so selling price will be equal to 495 into 140 divided by 100. Okay, on solving this you will get the answer as rupees 693. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question is, profit earned by selling an article for rupees 900 is double the loss. When the same article is sold for rupees 450, at what price should the article be sold to make 25% profit? So this question is similar to that of the previous question. Okay, so in this question they are telling that the profit earned is double the loss incurred. Okay, so the profit is equal to 2 times of loss. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price in the first case is given as 900. Okay, so profit will be equal to 900 minus cost price. Okay, that is equal to 2 into loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay, so cost price we need to find out minus selling price in the second case is given as 450. Okay, so on solving this equation we will get the cost price as rupees 600. Okay, now we need to find out the selling price when the profit percentage is 25. Okay, profit percentage is 25 means when the cost price is 100, selling price is equal to 100 plus 25, that is 125. Okay, but the cost price we found it as 600. Okay, so if when the cost price is 100, selling price is 125, then the cost price is 600 means what will be the selling price? This we can find out by cross multiplying. Okay, so the selling price will be equal to 600 into 125 divided by 100. Okay, so on solving this you will get the answer as rupees 750. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question is, profit earned by selling an article for rupees 1060 is 20% more than the loss incurred by selling the article for rupees 950. At what price should the article be sold to earn 20% profit? Okay, so in this question they are telling that the profit earned is 20% more than the loss incurred. Okay, and they have given the selling price in both the cases. So we need to find out the selling price when the profit is 20%. Okay, so initially they are telling that the profit earned is 20% more than loss, which means profit is equal to 120 by 100 into loss. Okay, so on simplifying this we will get it as profit is equal to 6 by 5 of loss. Okay, and we know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, and in the first case selling price is 1060. So 1060 minus cost price is equal to 6 by 5 into loss is cost price minus selling price. Okay, so selling price is given as 950 in the second case. Okay, so on solving this you will get the cost price as rupees 1000. So we need to find out the selling price when the profit is 20%. Okay, profit is 20% means when cost price is 100, selling price will be equal to 100 plus 20, that is 120. Okay, so we need to find out the selling price when the cost price is 1000. Okay, so when cost price is 100, selling price is 120, then what will be the selling price when cost price is 1000? This we can find out by cross multiplying. Okay, so selling price is equal to 1000 into 120 divided by 100. Okay, on solving this you will get it as rupees 1200. So this is the answer. The next question is, if loss is 1 by 3 of selling price, then what is the percentage of loss? So in this question they are telling that loss is 1 by 3 of selling price. Okay, so we can write L is equal to 1 by 3 of selling price, and we know that when it is loss, selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, so we can write the selling price as cost price minus loss, that is loss is equal to 1 by 3 into cost price minus loss. Okay, so this we can write it as 3L is equal to CP minus L. On solving this we will get it as L by CP is equal to 1 by 4. We need to find out the loss percentage. We know that loss percentage is equal to loss by cost price into 100. Okay, and loss by cost price is 1 by 4. So loss percentage will be equal to 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25%. So this is the answer. The next question is, Anil buys an old scooter for rupees 4700 and spends rupees 800 on its repair. If he sells the scooter for rupees 5800, his gain percentage is. So in this question they are telling that a person named Anil bought a scooter for rupees 4700 and spends rupees 800 for its repair. Okay, so the cost price of the scooter will be equal to this 4700 plus the money spent on repair. Okay, so cost price will be equal to 4700 plus 800. Okay, so this is equal to 5500. Okay, then they are telling that he sells the scooter for rupees 5800. So the selling price is equal to 5800. Okay, so we need to find out the profit percentage. So what is the profit? profit is equal to 5800 minus 5500, that is 300. Okay, so the profit percentage will be equal to profit by cost price, that is 5500 into 100. Okay, so on solving this you will get the answer as 5 by 11 percentage. Okay, so this is the answer. The next question is, Ravi purchased a machine for rupees 80,000 and spent rupees 5,000 on repairs and rupees 1,000 on transport and sold it with 25% profit. At what price did he sell the machine? In this question they are telling that this cost price of the machine is rupees 80,000. Okay, and Ravi spent rupees 5,000 on repairs and rupees 1,000 on transport. Okay, so the money spent on repairs and the money spent on transport is also an expense of Ravi when he purchased the machine. Okay, so we need to add the money spent on repairs and the money spent on transport along with the cost price of the machine. Okay, so the cost price of the machine will be equal to 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 1,000. Okay, so that will be equal to 86,000. Okay, then we need to find out the selling price when the profit percentage is 25. Okay, so profit percentage is 25 means when cost price is equal to 100, selling price is equal to 100 plus 25, that is 125. Okay, so we need to find out the selling price when cost price is 86,000. Okay, so this we can find out by cross multiplying. Okay, so the selling price will be equal to 86,000 into 125 divided by 100. Okay, so on solving this you will get the answer as rupees 1,07,500. Okay, so this is the answer. So this was the last episode on profit and loss. I have covered almost all types of problems based on this topic. In the next episode, I will be back with a new topic. Do watch it. If you felt this video helpful, like it, share it and subscribe it. Also press the bell button so that you get the notification when I am uploading new videos. Thank you for watching the videos. Bye.